In our previous class, we covered the topics of how to set up the environment for desktop application development with C++. Now, once you close the Visual Studio and reopen it, sometimes you will see the error like this on your design page. Okay, your Windows form is not on display, but you will see a bunch of errors or stickers. So the best practice is to just close the design tab, then reopen it. It will resolve your issue. If still the error is on the same place, restart your Visual Studio, close your Visual Studio and reopen it. Still the error, still you are seeing the error but not the Windows form, then open the code file. Then you have to see the component model and the container. Sometimes the container is swapped with iContainer. Then you have to rechange it. It's an initialization for the container, and we will be using just a container tab, not an iContainer option. Okay, so keep that in mind.